Well, New York has Shark Tank, and now Howard County has the Changemaker Challenge. Nikki Highsmith-Vernick from Horizon Foundation and Jarnell Swecker from the United Way of Central Maryland join me now to tell us all about it. Welcome, you two.
Thank you.
Happy to have you here. I want to know why Howard County sees a need for social change, and they want these ideas in this Changemaker Challenge. So what is it and why did it start?
Well, despite the many strengths that we see in Howard County, our data shows that 1 in 5 Howard County residents fail to meet this basic survival budget, which means there are barriers out of their control that are affecting their financial stability. We're also seeing challenges with access to mental health care and other environmental issues.
And so identifying these challenges, you wanted to do something, but you wanted to think outside the box. And that's where the Changemaker Challenge was born. So tell me, what is it exactly?
So we're so excited. The Changemaker Challenge, which is hosted by the Horizon Foundation and the United Way of Central Maryland, is really offering an opportunity for individuals or organizations to solve some of these really complex problems and to pitch their really fantastic ideas in front of a live audience with judges. So they can win up to $25,000. And then we have another prize at $15,000 and 2 prizes at $10,000.
That's amazing.
It's amazing. And 1 prize will go towards a project working with individuals with developmental or intellectual disabilities.
So it's great because it gets people thinking outside of the box, but it directly impacts their community. And I'm wondering, what are some of the ideas that people are bringing to the table for 2019? What have you heard so far?
So we have wonderful ideas on the environment, people that are looking at plastic bottles and looking at how to reuse them for building materials.
Okay.
We have folks from our Hispanic community really looking how to engage Hispanics in civic engagement. We have ideas about the Big Red Barn, which is a children's show on environmental issues. We have 2 different proposals related to mental health, one for veterans, extremely important, and another for mental health preventive services in the community. So we have fantastic ideas. We had 56 applications.
Yeah, and you've narrowed it down now to 9.
9 finalists, yes.
So what happens next?
So 9 finalists will be presenting in front of a live audience and pitching their ideas for social change. This is on November 11th at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab.
And this is something that the community can watch and come out and support?
Yes, it's completely free to community members, so they will leave inspired by the community change that these ground-up leaders have come up with.
And so, but we need to get tickets first, right?
You do need to get tickets,
So it's
but
free,
they're free.
but get tickets.
Yeah, so you can go to changemakerchallengehc.org, get free tickets, and come out, see these fabulous people, their great ideas, and see who will win $25,000 for their big idea.
It's so great. And you've done this before, the Changemaker Challenge,
We have.
correct?
We've done it once before as a partnership between our both organizations.
And how did it go in a previous, was it last year or previous?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. How did it go back then?
We had 3 winners, and they're doing fabulous work. One of them now has her own nonprofit. It's called SOBAR, looking at recovery issues and providing non-alcoholic drinks at meetings and conferences.
Oh,
fantastic. Another woman actually is providing support and mentorship students for first-generation students in college.
Yes.
And the other one is on bus stops in Howard County, how to create accessible, environmentally friendly, and artistic bus stops so people can actually use them.
That's great. This sounds very Howard County, if that makes sense. I just feel like there's always a sense of community, thinking outside of the box, social justice, and just trying to make the community a better place. So this is great and very inventive. So take that, Shark Tank. We got our own. This is happening Monday, November 11th. You can go there to the, pronounce that, the center. Kosikoff, I don't want to mess that up, Center in Laurel. Free tickets, just go to changemakerchallengehc.org. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank
and
you.
We'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.